The Australian share market is expected to bounce back from yesterday's brief sell-off today after a number of better-than-expected US company profit results, particularly that of banking giant Citigroup, helped boost Wall Street and other overseas markets last night. An hour into trade, the ASX 200 index is 17 points or almost 0.5% higher, with Australian banking stocks leading the rally after Citigroup's quarterly profits. Meanwhile, shares in mid-tier copper and gold producer Oz Minerals are up nearly 2.25% to $1.63 after the operator of the prominent Hill mine here in South Australia reported a 5% drop in quarterly copper production. But gold production more than doubled during the period, and the company has maintained its full-year copper output guidance. Unfortunately, the response to news from West Australian engineering firm Macmahon Holdings hasn't been so positive, with its shares plunging nearly 20% to 56 cents after the company warned it is unlikely to make a profit in the first half of the year. The poor performance is due to its construction sector, which has been hit by project delays, cost blowouts and general poor performance. Macmahon has said that strength in its contract mining division should boost the second half results, but investors feel more disappointed about the first half shock. And on the currency front, the Australian dollar has rallied in overnight trade and continued to gain ground this morning. It's currently buying 99.18 US cents. This is Toby Grimm for Baker Young Stockbrokers.